At Bell Tower Co., we understand the needs of the gardening, landscaping, hardware, and forestry industries. Our mission is simple: to provide practical, trustworthy tools for gardeners of all ages, from children starting out to seasoned experts. We ensure quality control, flexible MOQs, and timely delivery for every order. With OEM and ODM options, your tools can be customized in color, packaging, or design. Our approach is professional, clear, straightforward, and reliable. We also provide educational guidance to help gardeners use tools safely and efficiently. Choose Bell Tower Co. and bring dependable, high-quality tools to your business.